Hello again, YouTube. Tape deck fan. Here is another Mr. Nasty PR99. This is a PR99 Mark 1. So it's really in a bad shape. You can see I got one button there gone. My toggle switch is gone. Let's see the head. Whoa. There is no pinch roller. Pinch roller is gone completely. Wait a while. There's no tension arm either. That's gone. No tension arm. It's gone. The right one is okay. It's there. Scratches up on the tape. Scratched up there. And this is an oddball hub. I don't know what's up with that, with the hub. And you can see this one is broken off right here. It's gone. These lenses usually break, but this one is in fine. This one is fine, and this one too. These usually go. What else? It's in a bad shape, I think. Oh, Radio Disney. This came from a radio station in Virginia. Look at the back here. Dig deep down into it. It's just really nasty. They must have stored this in a barn or someplace. The case is in a bad shape too. The back case. So I usually take it apart in the backyard, but sometimes I'm working in the backyard and the rain just comes down suddenly. So most time I just move to the garage instead to do my initial breakdown of the tape decks. Okay, so this one is bad. Really nasty. Move it out the way. Okay, let's look in the back here now. Whoa. Look down in there. Wow, it looked like pigeon, looked like bird was living in this place. See that? See that? Real bad. Strange, funny. The caps aren't leaking, but I will change those anyway. Usually do. Okay, so what's my method of operation here? First, I will have to move the bottom case and then give it a proper cleaning inside. Some time ago I did one that was even much worse than this, and I had to take the garden hose to the thing. So what I did then was to cover up, like the motor, cover up the power supply, and this other motor here, and the capstan motor. I didn't want any water getting into it, so I covered those up properly. And then I took which one was it? I think I used this one. It's called LA's totally awesome. LA's totally awesome. This is a good cleaner. I used that on it. I just sprayed it up properly, and then I left it out to dry for several days. And while rotating it, so that any water lodged into it will just come out. So with the condition of this one, I might do the same procedure. Wow, it's really bad. All right, I'll pull it down some more and see. Okay, YouTube. This is the PR99 MK1 up for restoration, initial breakdown, and cleaning. See you next time.